What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back at it, man, with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make an EBK Jaaybo type beat. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on no bangers, man. But hey, let's get into the video. All right, now we about to throw it on like a G minor natural. Get into it. All right, now it kind of sounds like too loud, so just so it's better on the ear while mixing it, I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. Probably turn it down just a little bit more. All right, now I'm about to copy this over and paste that right there. All right, now that I got that, I'm finna copy. Now that I got the 4 bars did, I'm finna add the other 4 bars. So I'm finna mix this up a little bit. And then on the end, I'm gonna probably just throw a little something on the bottom. So pull that over a little bit. All right, boom. So now that we got that, I'm finna copy this over in like background melody. My bad, I can't talk. I just woke up. Just keep it like that. All right, now we're about to get into just some extra effects. So let's see what we can find. So like something like that, and then all right, so something like that, just like, I'm saying, some extra. Now I'm just copy this over. I'm finna add another sound to it and get jiggy. So I'm gonna throw a choir. All right. that's gonna be like some extra effects. So now that we got that down packed into the drum, so let's get into it. Get the claps out the way. All right, now that we got that down pack, I'm finna copy this over and then paste it and then make it sound just a little bit more different. So let's get into it. I'm gonna copy that over. Some light. All right, now that we got our bass down pack, I'm finna clone my bass over and then add like something else on there. So let's see what we can do. Probably just throw a stomp on there, keep it simple. You feel me, for the video. Keep it nice and simple. All right. Hold on, this one kind of sucked. I gotta change it. still gotta update my presets so they sound a little but this thing hidden. I ain't gonna lie, it's hidden, so I'm gonna just throw the EQ on it for now. I'm gonna work with it, man. Turn it down a little bit. All right, now I'm finna throw some hi-hats in there, man. Honestly, I don't want to make the video too long, man. I am finna be making a mixing video to this, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Hopefully y'all appreciate, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. And make sure y'all stay tuned for more bangers. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Jaaybo in this thing. Jaaybo out, man. Peace.